Is this that same lake again?
No, different one.
Alright. What's this
I
one?
didn't even see this road crossing on it.
What's this one called?
I didn't even see this road crossing until I saw it. Like, afterwards I was like, right, it's all over your side.
Waiting scared, I've got something over there, but
Chelsea might get hit. It's heading straight for Chelsea.
still this car.
Very good. Holy.
Football joke.
Holy. Seriously? This is insane.
Wow.
I hope there's no weight limit on this.
Why are there trees growing by the road in the middle of the lake? What are they doing there?
We've got cows.
Like chasing in the Florida Keys.
Like a hurricane.
Superb. This is Twister, isn't it?
This is, isn't it?
Yesterday was Twister, this is Twister. Weight limit 20 tons! Oh.
Oh, this is awesome.
I'm jealous. Look at that over there, that hail, look.
Yeah.
Marijuana was right underneath this car.
That's funny, you see the white line there. Yeah, that's all the back end, on the back end of it.
Everything based in front. I don't actually know what that is back there.
That's a bit released.